great day to be a girl named Desiree, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I am Desiree Chanel. So by the title of this video, you guys already know I'm super excited. It's my sister tag slash... Oh God, my mom woke up. Take two. I am so excited. It's my sister tag slash Pinterest pick. So Pinterest picks is a new thing I'm going to be doing on my channel, where I basically just find a picture that I like on Pinterest and I'm going to try to recreate it. Now mind you, today's look was not the best. One, I'm about 2 months on getting my eyebrows done, so don't come for me. And it's just, we got a really weird setup going on here, so the lashes kind of make everything better. But trust me, my next video, you guys will get your normal glamorous looks. But without further ado, let me stop talking and introduce my guest. Say hi to Bre. So this is my sister Brianna. She's the baby of the family. I'm the middle. We have an older sister. Shout out to Tweet. And so all the products will be listed below. I don't think there's too much more to say. If you guys want to laugh with us, get to know us a little bit more, and just do a super chill, relaxed video, then just keep on watching. You got anything you want to add?
Follow me on Instagram.
You're so lame. Follow her Instagram. I will put all of our information down below. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends about me. And of course, hit that little bell so you never miss the upload. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. What's the first question though in there?
Favorite memory we have of each other?
Favorite memory?
Yes.
That's a good question. I don't know. You go first. I gotta think.
It probably will have to be. Wait, that's a good question too. Man. I think when we went to Disneyland.
Girl, we went to Disney World.
Disney World, Disneyland, same corporation.
They are not.
They are too the same corporation.
First, shut up. They are not the same things.
They owned by the Walt Disney Company, so same difference.
World is better than land.
Whatever.
World is always better than land. World is. World is always better than land. My favorite memory of each other. I don't know. I really don't know. Oh no, I take that back. I think my favorite memory of us has to do with everybody where we was at Granny house and Tweet was washing our hair. Mom, was you there? I don't think. What? I don't think she was there. At Granny house. Remember that day Tweet washed all of our hair and Granny took her wig off and she was about bald? Okay, my mom was there.
No,
So it was just me, Bre, and Tweety, which is our older sister. And we got all our hair washed and it was just a really good experience. I think that's my favorite one of us.
Mine would have to be when...
No, take that.
I changed mine.
No,
mine would have to be when Granny was pressing your hair and she caught the paper towel on fire.
I don't remember that.
And she had to stump it out. That's a favorite.
If y'all hear noise in the background, my mom, obviously my family is here from Detroit. My mom was in the living room watching TV. And she don't want to turn it down because she's rude.
No, because she can't.
No, it's because she's old and she can't hear.
Question 2 is, what's something that I do that annoys you?
You look for stuff and it be right in front of your face. And you be like, I can't find it. And then I have to get up and get it so I get irritated.
You know I'm slightly crossed, okay?
Girl, you're not slightly crossed. You got whole regular eyes.
Something that you do. You yell like a lot.
I do not.
And you have very bad road rage.
Because people piss me off. If people in Georgia knew how to drive, we wouldn't have this problem. No, would we? No.
But they can't hear you while you yell.
I don't care.
Right next to you.
I don't care.
That's my whole eardrum.
I just need. Somebody just gonna blow your nose while we're recording. Anyway, I have to get it out because I feel like if I'm mad, I just need to be mad, and once I'm done, I'm done. It'll be cool.
If you say so.
Anyway, that's what it is.
Favorite
I'm gonna cut this too.
inside joke.
Favorite, we have so many. I don't think if we say it, like, it'll be funny to them. Currently our favorite one is 1344.
1344.
It's a little backstory. It was about 3 nights ago, and my mom and them was hungry, so I was like, okay, we can go and get McDonald's. So I was going to pick up McDonald's. We went to McDonald's. We got to the drive-thru. You know how they be like, hey, how y'all doing? You be like, good, how are you? Black people be like, let me get a we placed our order, and we got up to the window. So you know, again, when you get up to the window, especially when it's at nighttime, they'll go, okay, hey, how are you doing? You know, 1344 is your total. We get up to the window, and she like, hey, how you doing? I'm like, good. She like, 1344. She didn't even let me get like, good, how are you? I was just like, okay, here we go, honey.
A little aggressive.
Bre was like, a little aggressive. She was, I think she was like one of the only 2 people on. So I understand. I mean, it's nighttime. You trying to get your customer out and keep it pushing. And that's what she did. We was on our way. That's an insider for me.
I think mine would have to be catch fire, catch fire.
What is that from?
I don't know. You just started saying it.
No, it's somebody said it on like some type of video, and we was laughing at it, and it was like catch fire.
Or that's negative. Go
No.
fire.
It was from some type of court show, and they was arguing, and the lady was like, catch fire, catch fire.
But what is your dream job?
I've had like, well, I used to want to be, for the longest, a forensic pathologist. Okay. I used to want to be a forensic pathologist for a while. That's what I actually went to undergraduate for. But I now want to start off and be a nurse. I want to be a labor and delivery nurse. Really bad, actually. Like, I'm kind of obsessed with it. How a woman's body can create life. It's just so mysterious yet fascinating to me at the same time. So, yeah, I want to do that. And then from there, because I like school, but I don't like being in school.
Who does?
Some people do. Mama, she's been in school for like 50 years.
I don't enjoy that. Like, get me out of here. My dream job would have to be a photographer. I think I've switched my dream job like 50 million times.
Like 50,000 times.
Fashion designer, vet.
You still want to be an astronaut, I think.
Astronaut, model. I'm way too short for that.
The most.
But eventually I was like, I want to be a photographer. Because I used to take pictures of random things all the time. And
Still do take pictures of random things. Check out our Instagram.
And then...
Well, it's all food.
It's not food.
Yeah, it is. You take like 50,000 pictures of Starbucks.
But I don't like post it that much. It's not food, all food, okay? But I just find it very fascinating and what I would love to do. Describe me in 3 words.
Fat, no, I'm just playing. In 3 words.
Yes.
Free-spirited. Free-spirited. Why can't I think?
Final Jeopardy, please.
I've been trying to think because I've been wanting to get the right words. I think free-spirited, non-judgmental, and passionate. Fudge. I almost said F-U-C-K. See, I'm trying.
Okay, for you, I'll have to pick.
Talk about me. She said,
Outgoing.
I can agree with that.
This is harder than I expected it to be. You're right.
Well, I told you.
Outgoing.
Outgoing.
Stop.
It's like an infomercial. Outgoing. That way.
I'm not thinking of a word for like you speak your mind. You say what you want to say.
Bre, you like that boy, and you just.
I can never be that bad.
And you just, and you.
Have you ever heard a dream that you?
That you could do so you do.
And I don't know. There's more words to think of.
Well, you have to think of a third one. So
This is gonna be a long pause, and I can think of a third one.
and good. Just to blend
What?
everything together.
Charismatic. There we go.
What that mean?
Charismatic means like you care for others. You care about others.
I don't think that's right.
Charismatic? Look it up.
We're gonna Google. We're gonna put the definition of charismatic at the bottom.
I swear to you, that's
For
what
the
it
dummies
means.
like me.
Like I'm not a dummy.
I know just a word that you ain't never, that you know about it, but you ain't never used it before. That's one of them words. What is your favorite TV show you like watching right now? Like, what are you into right now?
That's hard because I don't really watch TV like that.
Well, Netflix is TV, Hulu is TV.
Oh, it would probably have to be this true crime series called Evil Genius. I don't know if you ever heard of it.
Oh, on Netflix?
Yes.
I've heard of it.
It's
I haven't watched
about
it.
the it was like a case that happened like years ago about the locker, wow, the collar robbery and stuff like that. It's really good. I'm not gonna spoil anything. You just go watch it. But that's what I'm into right now.
Bree's like one of those people. Go subscribe.
Hit that subscribe button. What is your favorite show? I can probably already guess.
My favorite show or a show I'm currently watching, because that's two different things.
I probably know your favorite show, but show you're currently watching.
Shows that I'm currently watching. I'm rewatching Charmed. That is my
We
ish.
weren't allowed to watch that growing up.
No, my mom thought it was the devil.
We weren't even allowed to watch or get Harry Potter books. That's witchcraft.
No, you're not doing that.
Like, come home and see us chatting the devil in a
Okay, she
circle.
thought we was about to go ahead and buy a whole Ouija board. I'm rewatching Charmed. I just got into the. Oh, look at that nap. I just got into the Handmaid's Tale. Girl, low key, I love the Golden Girls. I'm watching that right now. Like, that's my jump. I'm attempting to watch the second season of 13 Reasons Why.
I'm already done. Catch up.
And everybody and their mama is done. Shut up, Bre.
How old are we?
I am 32. Oh my god, I can't believe I just said that. I am sadly 23. Oh my god, I will be 24 next month.
Girl, you act like your whole life is over. You're 20. You're in your 20s.
But it's like next year I'm gonna be 25. That's like almost 30. It's cutting it too close.
30's not even old.
Can I go back to being 21? Like college?
60's old.
60's not old.
It is.
I think the new old is like 80. Like, that's old. But even then, you got old people that's 80 that's like out swimming and stuff.
And I am 19. I'm still young.
About baby air.
How different is our music taste?
Hella different. You like to listen to death metal,
First of all,
devil worshiping music.
First of all,
Devil worshiping.
I don't listen to devil worshiping music.
I'll put flames right here.
Devil worshiping music is black metal, which I don't listen to.
She listens to.
I don't listen to black metal. Listen to her. I don't listen to black metal. Plus, I don't even listen to really any metal now. I listen to metal in
Keyword.
middle school.
Now.
Now, when I was like in middle school,
Yeah, you used to worship the devil in middle school.
No, I did not.
You used to be in your room like.
No, I did not. Korn is not a devil worshiping band. Or
Who?
Korn. Or System of a Down. Bands you wouldn't know. That's
What?
metal.
What about your mama now?
Exactly.
Devil worshiper? Devil worship music.
But yeah, our music is way different.
Super different. My favorite type of music of all time is old school R&B,
Like old
like 80s, 90s, Luther Vandross, Whitney, Shaka Khan, Anita Baker. Those are my favorites. And then it would have to be today's R&B, like regular R&B, like Kim, Layla Hathaway.
I can't with Kim's voice.
Who else? Baby.
Like, I love him. He has a beautiful voice, and his songs are great. But if you live
Hater.
in a city where they constantly play it, you get an this one.
Oh my god.
You get annoyed after a while.
But yeah, so that's my favorite, and then my second. After those two, it would be hip hop or rap. Yeah.
My music taste is on the complete other side
K-pop
of the spectrum.
devil worshippers.
First of
devil
all, K-pop
worshiping
is
music.
not devil worship.
I'm saying the heavy metal listen to devil worship.
I really love K-pop.
She's obsessed. Like,
I love it.
obsessed.
What's one piece of advice you would give me as I get older?
Don't choke on setting spray.
Noted.
I think I would say take your time, but my thing broke. But live your life to the fullest. I would say be cautious and don't be careless. But again, have fun, experience life, take risks.
Okay.
Be bold. And
I'm moving to Korea. I'm just kidding.
not that bold. And do what makes you happy. Don't live for anybody else but yourself. Live for you. Do what you want. Explore, travel, meet new people. Open your heart and mind to different experiences, different people, different worlds. And be good to everyone.
Okay.
As hard as that may be, because I got problems with that now. Even when they are not good to you. And always keep your family first. Upload what you do Bell together. You know, so awkward. Okay, I'm gonna do.
Next to you.
That's my whole eardrum. Somebody just gonna blow your nose while we're recording. You couldn't blow your nose quietly.
Blow your nose quiet.
Because we're recording. You're not on this video, bro.
Bro.
You a major boot. Just FYI.